All right, everybody, check it out. First of all, obviously, you've probably seen today's title of the video, but soon, we're still waiting. I gotta talk to the mechanic, find out what the plan is for the Blazer. He's got a booth. It doesn't fit in his garage. It's like a fancy, it's kind of weird. He said it was like a blow up paint booth. I know they've got those. They're pretty cool, but it doesn't fit in his garage. So he has to do it outside, but temperatures aren't cooperating. So I need to talk to him and see what we're gonna do. In the meantime, I still gotta fix this Jeep, but we got some new issues with this Jeep. So I'm kind of frustrated. I've been dealing with this squeaky freaking Jeep forever. So we're gonna show you, try to listen to the squeals. So, did you hear when I shut it off? That's not right. Now, I've got some stuff here. We're going to, let's see, let me pull this light over here. Anyways, we're gonna try to determine what is the cause. So, first of all, I've also got a freaking antifreeze leak. It's leaking antifreeze somewhere in this bottom hose. Anyways, I'm going to pull the belt and we're going to get in here and spin some pulleys. I'm kind of disappointed. Extremely disappointed, actually. But when I put this other pulley on that was a little bigger, it might have put some more stress on these pulleys. So I have one of those that I can change out. It's actually a bigger, well, not a bigger size. Yeah, a bigger size. But I do have one of those. So I do have one of those I can put on. There's also a couple more down in here. So we're gonna see if we can't figure it out. I'm gonna get under there and I'm going to loosen it up and we're gonna see which pulley is making this freaking noise. But in the meantime, check this out. I got some blackberry. You just freaking put it in your water. It's freaking delicious. Go get you some. Links below. Check out Amazon as well. And Auxito LED bulbs. LED everything. It's just better. All right, folks. We have determined that this idler pulley here is bad. This one in here is bad. And we're gonna take off the tensioner pulley, which, oh, there's a train. Anyways, there's a bolt right here at the top of this. We're gonna take that off, and then there's a bolt way down there at the bottom. I don't know if you can see this. Let's take you down into no man's land. Anyways, there's a bolt right there that I already took off of the tensioner. So we're gonna take off the tensioner, and then we're gonna take off those pulleys, And I believe if I put the tensioner on and put the new one on and move it, I can get away with it. But we have a phone call. Stay tuned. All right, so after removing this, and by the way, there's hardly any videos out there on YouTube that talk about the actual tensioner pulley. Like, there's a few on there on how to change the belt and all sorts of stuff, but not very many on how to change this tensioner pulley. So we're gonna do it. Anyways, I got this off. So this obviously goes on your Jeep like that, and then when you hit that little thing in there, you kind of pull it and loosen it, and then it tensions the belt. So what we're going to do is, if you take this off, there's actually a little dust. There's actually a little dust cover. So this fits on there like this. Now, basically, all I did was get a screwdriver and kind of pry up this side, pry up this side. Just kind of pry it a little bit from each side until this popped off. Oh yeah, we got some little kids out there riding, sweet. Anyways, so Torx head, I believe this one is a T47, and we're going to take this off, and then we're gonna go get some new idler pulleys. This one should be the same size as this other one. So I already have one. Now we just need 1, 2, 3. So there's 2 others on there that are bad. And obviously, I showed you those before. We'll get the light out here, show you again. But there's the one right there, and then the other one is right there. So we're gonna replace these, get those changed, and hopefully that's gonna take care of our squealing and all sorts of stuff. But hopefully, I don't know, stay tuned, you're gonna find out. All right, update. We cannot get this pulley off. Maybe you can get yours off. I tried. I pretty much stripped it out. It's the right size, but it's just kind of awkward getting it in there. And my freaking, this thing, I don't know, maybe your fancy thing has enough power. It's got pretty decent power, but I could not get it off. So stripped it out. I gotta go buy a whole new thing, which, you know, really isn't a bad thing. I mean, if you look at this, it looks like it's kind of got a little tear in it. So overall, whatever, it is what it is. However, it's expensive. So we're gonna go buy one, and then, like I said, we're gonna go buy a few more of these. We need 2. I already got one. I'm gonna buy 2 so that I have an extra one, and we're just gonna probably leave this one as an extra one on my shelf. So off to the store we go. All right, folks, check this out. Ooh, I think I'm starting to get some, oh yeah, some muscle right there. Anyway, so check it out. We've got this pulley here, and we're going to show you. Hear that? That's bad. This is the other pulley we took off. Oh yeah. Hear that? So we've got definitely some bad idler pulleys. So we got the one replaced. We're replacing this upper one right now, and then we're gonna throw this new part back on. Holy cow. Okay, folks. We spent a lot of time trying to fix this. Just kidding. I took a little break, showed a guy my CTA speed. Woo! See that? Oh yeah, I think we're good. We're just gonna put this air cleaner back on, give it a little rev. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. see it. Let's go check out this sunset real quick. Woo-wee. Look at that sunset. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go test the Jeep out. I'm pretty sure that fixed the problem. It really fixed the problem because obviously when it died, you did not hear that sound you heard earlier when I shut it off. So, pretty sure we fixed it. And this is one of those bearings that was really bad. So check this out. We're gonna see, look at this. We're gonna use my big chest muscles to hold the camera. Listen to that. Hear that? Hear that? Do you hear that? That's what was wrong. And I put a new one of those on. So put 2 new idler pulleys, one right there, and the new tensioner. So pretty simple. You just gotta remember how the belt goes on. And if your Jeep sounds noises like mine, right? Then that solved the problem. So we're gonna go test drive it. We're gonna go take it out and get stuck probably on some rocks again. But anyways, stay tuned, subscribe, check out all my other videos, and don't miss, we're still gonna get that painted soon, hopefully this year, maybe, I don't know. But smile every single morning, okay? Okay, peace. Hey, Jake. Psst.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way